Kublai baro ki football fans hagane ga video ne pe khndiat agwe dei bat khani ga jingong bat ka jingiathuhlpa chung ne khuna ni gani ga video ne khuna haswa ba ka world cup kan sidang uladep predict lani uladep thulupa kino ki ri ki ba job nadu ga group stage round 32 round 16 quarter final semi final bat hadu ka final kaban salong shibit chiteng mit hapdeng ka Spain persya ya ka Argentina. Desngap ya gani ka video hak bau ne khna u predict lani we thulupa nadu basdang jong ka World Cup hadu MYNTA ka final. Mano ban yora ya kani ka final sngap yu ne khna bat hatu ka longkam bat ka desisha na namar ba kat hadu ka third place uneu khna ula predict bat kijing predict jong u ka long ka ba day bat ka besisha.
My official World Cup prediction from the round of 32 down to the final game. Alright boys, let's get to this. So first we have Germany versus Paraguay. Hear me out. Paraguay will be in Germany. So France versus Sweden. France will be in Sweden. South Africa versus Canada. I feel like Canada winning. Netherlands and Morocco. Morocco winning this shit. Fight me. Portugal, Croatia. I got Portugal winning this shit. Spain, Austria. Spain, come out. USA going to USA going to win that. Senegal and Belgium. I got Belgium winning this shit. I don't care. Brazil and Japan. Brazil winning this. Ivory Coast, Norway. Haaland. I got Norway winning Ivory Coast. Mexico, Ecuador. Mexico winning this shit. England, Congo. England are obviously going to win. Argentina, Cape Verde. Messi. Argentina got this, boys. Australia, Egypt, bro. They're beating Australia. Switzerland, Algeria. I got Switzerland. Sorry, Maris. Club versus Ghana. Colombia beating Ghana. In our round of 16, this is where things get serious. We got Paraguay versus France. Canada versus Morocco. They're beating Canada any day, anytime, anywhere. Morocco up to the quarterfinals. Portugal versus Spain. Spain are gonna win. USA versus Belgium. Yeah, Belgium winning. Brazil, Norway. I got Norway going through. Mexico, England. Straight up England. Argentina versus Egypt. It's going to Argentina. Switzerland and Colombia, bro. Switzerland. France versus Morocco. France are going through. Spain versus Belgium. It's obviously Spain, guys. Norway, England. For context, I'm gonna put England. Argentina versus Argentina. Context, we're winning that. France versus Spain. I'm going to do Spain. England versus Argentina, bro. Messi. That Argentina going through. This showdown and France are going to beat England. France are going to the third place. Spain versus Argentina, guys. The winner of the 2026 FIFA World Cup is going to be Argentina. Messi. I just think Argentina is good. Messi the best.
Tina markata ko ki football fans ki badai na po ka state Meghalaya chibit kanile ka final ka Spain persya ya ka Argentina ha ba uni khna ula de bithulupa lo de predict lupa ba ka Argentina kan salong ka nongjob lani ka world champion jong snem arjar aphandu tin na preng ki jing predict ka jung u khnai percent ka dei hadu ka third place ka dei ting ne peit pat MYNTA ya ka final hatu ka dei ne kani ka jing predict jong uni khna ha ka ba ulong ba ka Argentina kan penlimno ya ka Spain ha ka final jong ka World Cup arjar aphandu ting saya page bit hatu ka longshan kumta